This is just a view of the boundary of Fairfax County and Alexandria. This is mostly Alexandria that you see from my condo building. And we're having only really light snow right now, almost like a mist. There's the deck. I'm not going to go out in it right now. It's closer. Right directly below, you can just barely see the edge of this Build America Plaza, which has attracted controversy. Some other skyline buildings, some other apartment complexes like the Southern Towers there, and some office buildings on Beauregard. Seminary leads over to I-395, and over there is Route 7 that goes to downtown Alexandria. But most of what you can see here is in Alexandria, actually in the city of Alexandria.